Hey everyone, it's me, Tonya, your girl with all things Dazzle. I hope you're doing well today. Today is Saturday, July 18th, and I just wanted to come on and I wanted to talk a little bit about who I am and my journey. I want to start by saying thank you if you are new to my channel. Thank you for being a part of what it is that I'm trying to build. And if you're a returning subscriber, I'm so glad that you are here. I hope that my tutorials have helped you in some kind of way to become a better rhinestone crafter. If not, then, let me know in the comments how I can help you, So anyway, I'm a little tired. It's been a rough couple of weeks and, trying to be the doer of all things. That's what I do, but I'm gonna keep pushing forward. So I may ramble a little bit in this video, but again, as you guys know, my videos are unscripted and they are unedited, and it's just me coming to you real as I can be. So I wanted to get on and share with you a little bit about what's going on with me. I'm excited to say that I have a school. I have a school, Skool, called the Rhinestone Syndicate Academy. And I launched that back in April. And April 15th, I think, if I'm not mistaken, or somewhere close to that time frame. But anyway, I started it in mid-April, and here we are in mid-July, and I'm so grateful. I have 700 plus persons that have decided to join the school and learn more about rhinestones. So I'm excited that I'm reaching so many people to try to help them on their journey. But again, if you're anything like me, you love to make beautiful things. And I have been a crafter my whole life. I love working with my hands, and it's just something that brings me immense joy. But as a crafter, sometimes things can get to be a little overwhelming. There's so many different machines out there, so many different softwares, all these different videos that you can watch that make everything look so easy, until you, of course, then try to do it for yourself and realize that it's wasn't as easy as they made it seem to be in the video, which is one of the reasons why, like I said, my videos are in real time and I show you exactly what obstacles I go through when I am creating. But that's one of the reasons why I created the Rhinestone Syndicate Academy. It was the kind of community that I wanted to build where we support each other and we learn together. That was what was important to me. So if you're like me and you're a product junkie, you may have several different machines, but whether you're working on Cricut, whether you're using a Silhouette, Cameo, Caesar, cutting machines, a Juliet, Romeo, Brother Scan and Cut, Graph Tech, US Cutter. There's so many different machines out there. But what they all have in common is that they allow you to make specialized crafts. And so, whether you're making, personalized gifts or you're just looking to start a new creative adventure, I'm hoping that you'll choose the Rhinestone Syndicate Academy as a place where you would join to find supportive people that would help you along on your journey. I apologize. I had to stop the recording. Someone reached out to me, and I wanted to be able to help them. So I apologize for that. But what I was saying was that I had created my community and school as a place where you know um, we come together we craft together, we learn together, we grow together. And so, and that's one of the things that I love about the community is that we're not trying to be perfect, right? We're all learning at some stage. We either beginner, intermediate, experience, and we bring all of that and cultivate all of that into helping people become better crafters. So we had our first live tutorial craft session this past Thursday. I was so excited to have so many people join us. And what we did was we created some bag tags. So here's the bag tag that I created in that live tutorial that we did. And that was so much fun. I didn't do it quite right. That's why I said again, we're all learning. I didn't have the right supplies to make it the way that Tracy taught it, but as a crafter, we improvise, right? We figure out how to make some things work. So this was the bag tag that I created. But again, I do all types of things, and we can learn how to do all types of things. I 3D print. So here's a 3D printed Greek letter that I did, and then I added rhinestones because rhinestones just make everything beautiful. But I added rhinestones to it. I hand glued these. Okay, so this was a hand glued project. This was just again me working with my 3D printer, and I created this kind of shelf decor. But I did that, and again, I do other things with rhinestones. I just love rhinestones are just something that appeal to me. And here's another project that I made, a bandana scarf and such. And so, you know, if you are looking for a place where you can grow and feel free to ask questions and it be a no judgment zone, I hope that you would consider, coming and joining us over in the school, the Rhinestone Syndicate Academy. We have coffee hour on Saturday mornings where we just come together and we talk about what's going on in our lives, and sometimes we get really good nuggets of information during those sessions that help us brainstorm about what types of things that we can do to help make, extra money if that's something that you're interested in. So I just wanted to, again, just kind of come on and just tell you a little bit about what my school was about, what we do there. Currently, I'd love to have you come grow with me. And if you start now, we have a promotion running. It's $20 to sign on to become a VIP member, and there are several different perks you get as a VIP. But I think the greatest perk that you get is that once a week I come on and I'm going to be teaching you, or at least showing you how I use Silhouette Studio Business Edition to create rhinestone designs. So for less than a cup of coffee from Starbucks, if that's one of the places you like to get coffee, you could come on and you could learn with me in real time and ask questions for less than $5 a week. So $20 a month right now for VIP membership. It also gives you discounts to my website. My website is allthingsdazzle.com, www.allthingsdazzle.com. And of course, it's the place where I sell my rhinestones. I have over 170 different hot fix colors in SS10s, and I'm growing my collection of SS6s, so you can see what I have available there. But I'm also going to be growing my my non-adhesive rhinestone collection is going to be added soon. We have several colors. I just haven't had a chance to get them on the website. So if ever there was anything that you were looking for, I hope that you would reach out to me. Again, I'm very easy to work with. Just reach out to me and ask me any question. If you're looking for something specific, if I have it, I'll let you know if I have it. If I don't have it, I'd be willing to try to get it for you if that's something that you need. So again, thank you for being a part of what it is that I'm trying to build, being a part of my YouTube community, and hopefully being a member of the Rhinestone Syndicate Academy. I'm excited for all that is coming. And I look forward to seeing you and seeing what it is you create. So again, thank you for taking the time to watch my little video. Just wanting to let you know again what's going on with me and what I have planned for the future. So again, thanks and see you in the next one. Bye.